Hey, it's Jason Hennessey, and we are talking about what makes up the perfect backlink. So, one thing that you want to make sure of is that the links that are coming back to your website, A, they're on secure sites, doesn't have any association to gambling or porn or pills, that it is relevant to what you do. And then there's other things that you want to look at too, like how easy is it for your competitors to clone that link? Because if you have a link that's coming into your website that your competitors can easily clone, well, guess what? There's so many different link analysis tools that there's some smart and savvy SEO strategists that will figure that out and they'll start to clone your strategy. I have an example. One of our clients here in LA recently became the official law firm for the Los Angeles Dodgers. And so the Major League Baseball did a press release making this huge announcement, and they link back to their website claiming them as the official law firm for the LA Dodgers. Now, that is one of the best links that you can get because it's the baseball team for LA verifying that this law firm is the actual law firm for the LA Dodgers. And that's one that your competitors can't easily clone. So think about that when you're building out your backlink strategy.